Hello once again, and we're going to take a look at a wired USB keyboard, which is the PC-Line PCL-SK1, and which is just a cheap keyboard. Feels okay. I mean, as PC keyboards, Mac keyboards go, you can even connect it to a Raspberry Pi if you want. Whatever, it's a keyboard, does the job, and it's very cheap, about £5. You can't go wrong for that price if you're just building a budget PC. You know, it does everything it needs to do. It also got a few additions here, so if you want to get onto the internet pretty quickly, you just push that. Search is your search engine, and if you want to go to your email. So basically it has a couple of additions there, and probably and also your standard lights, which all keyboards have. You know, it's basically a keyboard. So let's have a look at the back. You get your feet if you want to rest. You know, you want to rest your hand on it, and then, you know, give it an angle. Lead's quite big. The USB lead is about 2 meters, so you can be, you know, it's got quite a distance, quite a travel. So if you're not close to the computer, you know, you can relax typing away. What more can you ask for? It's just a cheap keyboard for about £5, probably not even that. Anyway, I'm going to end it now. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time, and goodbye.